In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to an external Slack channel. External channels in Slack, often labeled with the Slack Connect icon, let you collaborate with people outside your organization. The steps are simple, and I'll point out a few tips along the way so you know exactly what to expect, including permission checks and approvals that sometimes apply. First, go to slack.com and open Slack in your browser, or launch the desktop app if that's what you normally use. Sign into the workspace that contains the external channel. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar where all your channels are listed. Find the external channel you want to add someone to. External channels typically have a small icon indicating they're shared with another organization. Make sure you've selected the correct channel, since adding people here will share messages and files with them. Next, right-click the channel name in the sidebar. If you're on a device where right-click isn't available, you can also click the channel name at the top of the conversation to open its details. From the menu that appears, choose View Channel Details. This opens a panel with information about the channel, like the topic, description, and who's already in it. In the Details panel, click the Members section to see the current member list. This is a good moment to confirm whether you have permission to add people. Some workspaces restrict this to channel owners or admins. If you don't see the option to add people, you may need to ask a channel owner or your admin to help. When you're ready, click Add People. A dialog will appear where you can search for the person you want to add. Start typing their name if they're already in your workspace, or enter their email address if you're inviting someone who isn't in your Slack yet. Be careful to select the correct person, especially if there are similar names. After you've selected the person, click Add to send the invite. In many cases, they'll be added right away. For external collaborators, your organization or the other company might require admin approval before the invitation is finalized. If that happens, the invite will show as pending and the person will get access once it's approved. That's it. You've navigated to Slack, opened the channel details, checked the members list, used add people, entered a name or email, and confirmed by clicking add. Keep in mind that external channels share content across organizations, so only add people who should have access. If anything seems blocked, a quick note to your channel owner or admin will usually clear it up. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to add the right collaborators to your external Slack channels.